Hey everybody, John McLain with Rock Island Armory here at SHOT Show 2026, and I'm here with the RAIA USA Pack-out Long. Now this is a 12 gauge shotgun that features an adjustable stock, a machined rail for red dot optics, runs the Winchester thread patterns for choke tubes, and has a spring assisted pump. Now I know that seems like maybe it's to help you load your gun, but in reality what it's meant to do is to keep this whole system locked and in place so you can do this. Overall length is around 37 inches. Once you fold it up, you're looking closer to like the 24-inch mark for this gun. So the capacity is four in the tube, and then you can have one in the chamber once it's deployed. And in order to deploy it, you can do it, you know, the old-fashioned way or the really quick and fast way. So the coolest thing about this gun too, we're a Filipino company, however, we opened up our factory in Cedar City, Utah, and that is where the Packout is being manufactured. So if you need some more information, you can check it out at www.armscore.com for the Pack-out Long. Now maybe this just is still a little too big for you. Well, let me show you what I got in store for that. This bad boy is called the Pack-out Short. Same features as far as the system goes, pull back on the rear sight, and it'll fold in half. 26 inches roughly when it's fully deployed, and when it's folded up, you're looking at around 18.5 inches. Still the same capacity, and still the ability to do cool things for social media like this. So check that out, the Pack-out Mini from RAIA USA. Thanks so much.